Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to start today we are going to do your math class, and we are going to study the chapter playing with numbers of next part. Okay, other part. So today we are going to study some more divisibility rules and prime factorization. So how are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine in home. So let's start today's class. So number 1 is you are seeing some more divisibility rules. Sorry. If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. Okay. So let's say 18 is divisible by 9. Okay. So 18 is divisible by 9. That's why 18 is also divisible by factors of 9. Let's find out factor of 9. Factor of 9 is how much? 1, 3, 9. So 18 is divisible by 9. 18 is also divisible by factors of 9. Those are 3 and 1. So 18 is divisible by 3 also. Next find out 18 factor of 18 is 6, means 18 is divisible by 6. Okay, 18 is divisible by 6. So 18 factors of 6. Let's find out factors of 6. Factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. So 18 is if 18 is divisible by 6, 18 is also divisible by factors of 6. Those are 1, 2, 3, 6. So 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Okay, 2 and 3 are what? Factors of 6. 3 is factor of 9. If 18 is divisible by 9, then 18 is divisible by factor of 9, that is 1, 3 and 9. Okay, 18 is divisible by 6. That's why 18 is divisible by factor of 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 18, 9 is divisible. That's so it's my कौन हुए? 18 is divisible by factor of 9. 18 factor of 9 so to be divisible means 18 9 is divisible. So 3 is also divisible. 18 6 is divisible, 6 is divisible. So 18 is divisible by 2 and 3. So this is about if a number is divisible by another number. जब गोटे number आउ गोटे number सहित divisible हबो, then कौन हो? It is divisible by each of the factor of the number. Say number each factor सहित divisible हबो. Okay. Next divisibility rule is if a number is divisible by 2 co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Okay, so if a number is divisible by 2 co-prime numbers. About co-prime numbers we have studied yesterday. What is co-prime number? The numbers which have co-prime numbers are the numbers which have what? Which have common factors, which have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay. So those are co-prime numbers. Like 4 and 5. The factors of 4 is 1. The factors of 5 is 1, 2, 4. So 4. The factors of 5 is 1, 5. So their common factor is what? 1. That's why these two are co-prime numbers. Okay. So here see the example. 80 is divisible by both 4 and 5, which are co-primes. Look at here. 80 is divisible by both 4 and 5. 80 is divisible by 4. Let's check. 4 2 is 8. 0 4 0 is 0. So 80 is divisible by 4. 80 is divisible by 5. Yes. Why? Because at the ones place it is 0. So 80 is divisible by 4 and 5, which are co-primes. 4 and 5 are co-primes, we have checked. So 80 is also divisible by the product of 4 and 5. Okay, यार product सहित भी से divisible हबो. So product of 4 and 5 is what? 4 into 5 equal to 20. So 80 is divisible by what? 80 is divisible by 20. Okay, because 24 is 80. Next 60 is divisible by 3 and 5. 63 रे divisible हबो, 65 रे भी divisible हबो. You can see 3 2 is 6 0. So 60 is divisible. If you add 6 plus 0 equal to 6, which is divisible by 3, and 5 you see at ones place. Ones place रे कोन अछि 0. That's why it is divisible by 5. So 60 is divisible by 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are what? Co-primes. Let's see if they are co-primes or not. So factor of 3 is how much? 1 3. Factor of 5 is how much? 1 5. So they have common factor only 1. That's why these two are co-prime numbers. So 60 is also divisible by product of 3 and 5, means 3 into 5. It is what? 15. Okay. So 60 is divisible by 3 and 5, which are co-primes. That's why 60 is also divisible by product of 3 and 5. That is 3 into 5 equal to 15. Next, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Okay, what it is saying? If two given numbers are divisible by a number, so dita number gote number se to divisible hebe, tale sei dita number sum. Sum means what? When you are adding, you are getting sum. Say dita number be say number सहित divisible हेबे. Okay, let's see example. 16 and 20 both are divisible by 4. 16 divisible by 4, 20 divisible by 4. Because 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. It is saying that their sum is also divisible by that. We'll see if the sum of 16 and 20 is divisible by 4 or not. 16 plus 20 is how much? 36. 36 you know. 4 9 is 36. So 36 is also divisible by 4. Next is, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, okay, then their difference is also divisible by that number. जे दीटा नंबर गोटे नंबर से तो divisible है, ताहले कौन हो तांको difference. Okay, difference when you are getting, when you are subtracting, that difference be same number से तो divisible है. So let's see. 35 and 20 are both divisible by 5. 35 20 because 5 7 is 35, 5 4 is 20. That's why both are divisible by 5. Let's see their difference is also divisible by 5 or not. 35 minus 20. What is the difference? We are getting 15. Okay. So 15 is divisible by 5 or not? 5 3 is 15. So 15 is also divisible by 5. So you can also find out for 20 and 16. So 20 and 16 are both divisible by 4. Okay. So 20 minus 16 is divisible by 4 or not? You will find out and you will write. Okay. Next we will see prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization is what? Prime factorization is the process of finding all the prime factors of that number. Okay. So prime factorization कौन? आमे गोटे नंबर सबु prime factors बाहर करिबा. Okay. So that is prime factorization. There are two methods to find the prime factors of the number. That is, one is prime factorization using a factor tree. So let's see how we can find the factors using all the prime factors using factor tree. So here we are looking, look 24, we are finding the tree. Okay. So 24, 2 into 12 is 24. 12. How much? 3 into 4 is 12. 2, 4, 2 has no fact, means only one factor, 1 and 2. 3 has also only two factor, 1 and 3. Okay. 4 has only one, which is what? 2 into 2. So lastly what we got? 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Look, all the prime factors we have got. 2 3 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Sorry, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So all the 20 prime factors here. By tree we got 2 3 2 2. Let's see like this. 24 is also 4 into 6. Okay, 4 into 6 will be 24. Let's find out. 2 into 2. Here 2 into 3. Got it? All the prime factors. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 3 is 24. So all the prime factors are what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 3 8 is 24. So 3 2 4 is 8. You do it. 2 into 2. So how much you got? The prime factors are the same thing. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Means there are 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. So all the prime factors, wherever we are finding, in which way we are finding, the factors, the prime factors are all coming same for a same number. 24 ପାଇଁ ଦେଖ ତମେ 2 into 12 କଲେ ବି 4 into 6 ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲେ ବି और 3 into 8 ରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲେ ବି ତମର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପ୍ରାଇମ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ସେମ୍ ଆସୁଛି ଲାଇକ୍ 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, like that you can find out the prime factorization of a number. So let's take another example. So let's see another example, that prime factorization of 24. Okay, so not 24, that is 36. Here I have written 36 means this is 36. So prime factorization of 36 is 36, you find out. 2 into 18 is also 36. 3 into 12 is 36. 4 into 9 is also 36. 6 into 6 is 36. So let's find out 2 is a prime number. We go down. 2 into 9. Okay. 2 into 9 equal to 18. Then 3 into 3. Okay. Next you see 3 into 12 is 36. So 12 is how much? We'll get 2 into 6. Look at here. 2 into 3. Those all are last year prime factors. Next it won't go. 4 into 9. 2 into 2. 3 into 9. 9 is how much? 3 into 3. Like that you see 6 6 is 36. 2 into 3. This is also 2 into 3. So where you got? You got here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here also 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here you are getting 2 3 and 2 means twice 2 numbers of 3 and 2 numbers of 2. 2 numbers of 3 and 2 numbers of 2. Here also you are getting 2 numbers of 2, 2 numbers of 3, 2 numbers of 2, 2 numbers of 3. Okay, sorry. This okay. So here also you are getting 2 numbers of 2, 2 numbers of 3, 2 numbers of 2, 2 numbers of 3. Then 2 numbers of 2, 2 numbers of 3. 2 dita 2 ଅଛି 2ଟା 3 ଅଛି. Okay. So जो आड़े भी देखिए तुम कौन पाइबो 2टा 2 2टा 3 2टा 2 2टा 3 2टा 2 2टा 3 तो इक्वल जो वे रे तुम फाइंड करो तुमको प्राइम फैक्टर्स कौन मिलिबो से सेम मिलिबो. So you have to make tree. You can, if in exam coming, you can make any one of them. Exam रे जो जे कोनसी गोटे करिवो either 2 into 10 18 नल 3 into 12 नल 4 into 9 नल 6 into 6 anyone you can do, and last where you come, you came lastly into the factor where it is ending, it is not going further. Last कोउठी आसो जोठी आसे आगो को बढ़ी परिबनी. Like 3 means factor of 3 is 3 into 1. आउसा होबनी आगो को. Okay, like that you can find the prime factorization through factor 3. एमती factor 3 रे तमे factor 3 को रो हेल्प नहीं तमे prime factorization बाहर कर परिबो. Next is repeated division method. Okay, we can find out by repeated division method. Repeated means you will do again and again. Okay, the division. So let's find. Here we are given find the prime factorization 24 and 36. We will find the prime factorization 24 and 36. So it will be divided by 2. 2 12 ja 24. Okay. Then 2 6 ja 12. We'll divide like this so that you can get 0. What you get? 0 remainder. 2 3 ja 6. Then this is not divided further. That's why what we got for 24. Sorry. So for 24 what we got? The prime factorization of 24 prime factorization of 24 equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. If you multiply, you can find 24. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. Like that, you will find about 36. 2 into 18. 2 into 9. Dot 2. It cannot be divided by 2. 3 into 3. So what you got? So prime factorization of 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 2 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12. 12 3 ja 36. So like that you can find the prime factorization of 24 any number. Okay. So it is the repeated division method. Okay. So you are dividing repeatedly till getting the last prime number. जते पर्यंत last रे prime number or 1 पाइनो सेते पर्यंत तमे divide करी चलीथिबो. Okay. So this is about, you can divide it 3 also. 3 1 ja 3. Here also 3 1 ja 3. Okay. So this is about your today's class, that is about some more divisibility rule and prime factorization. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.